Well, hey there, everybody. It's Big Macintosh, and I thought I'd do something a little different. I'm gonna start doing little recommendations, I guess. So this is the first segment of Big Macintosh's recommendation. My first recommendation is this really good movie I saw a couple of days ago. Is called Sherlock Holmes, A Game of Shadows. Here, I'll show you a small clip of it. For those of you who don't want to see it, want to see it for themselves, just then don't watch the rest of this. I guess you could call it, what do they call it, spoiler alerts? Anyway, here's the clip. Enjoy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I gotta say, when they started airing this in Ponyville, they had a lot of ponies on the edge of their seat. Anyway, I'm glad you enjoyed this segment of Big Macintosh's recommendation. Remember to ask me a question in comments or personal messages. And if any of you want me to recommend a big channel or something like that, just let me know. And if I like it, I'll be sure to. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you all later. Yep.